So Knox and I came out here to play a little putt-putt today. Oh, nice. Memorial Day weekend. We're in Westerville. I mean, this is about to be awesome. Well, he just hit his in the bushes. Take two. That's all right, buddy. Hit it a little too hard.
Try that one more. Now that's better. Father's hitting now.
Too much, guys.
And he hit it too hard because he's bad. He's so bad. He's horrible.
Hey, why is the water so blue over there?
Artificial water.
so bizarrely blue.
Chlorine only water.
I think it's more like chlorine.
Chlorine only.
It's like way blue. All right, so how you feel like you're doing?
Good.
I think Dad might be in the lead right now, but I mean, who knows?
No.
It's,
I'm winning.
It's anyone's game.
I'm winning like 500-0. Okay, guys, we're about to get a video of this epic fail. Epic fail!
Cursed me. Nice shot, man.
He's got to go down that line. And I was correct. Epic fail, epic.
Second hole in a one in a row.